number 1. 1. Let's open it and see who's inside. Knock, knock, knock. Open. It's a chick. Cluck, cluck, cluck. The chick says, cluck, cluck, cluck.